Hello, dear students. Welcome back. I'm Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy, and we will be learning 5th English Medium Environmental Studies, Chapter 3 Tasting to Digesting. Part 3. Dear students, Part 1 and 2 we have discussed about the different taste, sour, sweet, pungent. They are the different taste we experience in our mouth, is it? Also, we learned about the glucose drip, that how it gives strength to our body even when we are not eating food. Our body requires healthy food, is it? Last in part 2 we learned a poem also, Martin's Window, is it? In that a window was being made in the Martin's tummy. There was actually a shot in his stomach, someone shoot him. So a whole story is given related to the poem. Let's start to the poem. Story: a stomach with a window. And dear students, we all know that we eat our food with our mouth, is it? And the food is being digested in our stomach. It goes through the food pipe. Here a good story is given, and from that we will learn that how our food is being digested in our stomach and how much time does that food item takes to digest. And also we will be learning about the saliva juices. Saliva, we all know, because of the saliva taste we can know the taste of the food item. If saliva is not present in our mouth, saliva, we all know that it is a liquid in our mouth. Because of that we can taste any food at particle. Now let's start with the story, a stomach with a window. In the poem you read about a soldier called Martin. In 1822 he was 18 years old and was very healthy. Healthy means he used to eat a proper diet or a food. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At the time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found the Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in a football. Press the skin and you would peep into the Martin's stomach. See, a doctor was called and Martin was shot, right, in the year, and he was 18 years in the 1822 year, and he was shot seriously. So Dr. Beaumont was called at his home. What did doctor did? Doctor put a clean his stomach and given the stitches and did the dressing. Now after a year and a 1.5 year, what happened? The hole was covered with a flap of skin. See how it is shown. Can you see it? Here is the part of stomach, the food which we goes in our stomach, we all know that. So what happened? Not only the doctor could take the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. See, dear children, this is a real story, is it? This Martin story is a real story. That when he was shot, doctor was called Beaumont, right? Now doctor did his dressing, and after 1.5 year, what was seen? That his flap of skin was very loose. So whatever used to happen in his stomach, all the digestion system was being easily seen. Is it? Now this doctor did many of the experiments on his stomach, that where does the food goes, what does the food particles do in the stomach, how much time does it takes to digest. This all many of the experiments he did by giving different food items. Next, at that time scientists did not know how food was digested, how does the liquid, that is digestive juices in the stomach, help? In this, does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or does it help in digestion? See, dear children, saliva, we all know that without saliva we cannot know the taste of it, is it? Now digestive juices, they are released from the pancreas and the liver in our body, in the digestion system. I'll show you at the last. In our notes, I will tell you in brief about this all, okay? That what is the role of pancreas and liver in our digestive system. See, even the liquid juices plays very important role in our digestion system, and they are released with the help of pancreas and liver. Dr. Beaumont took some liquid out of the stomach. See children, our food is being digested in the stomach, is it? It takes few time, but with the help of digestive juices which is present in stomach, it takes much time, is it? And also these food particles which we eat, because of the digestive juices, it will digest very fast and softly. Next, he wanted to see what would have happened to the food item kept in a glass filled with. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. So this doctor, what he did one of the experiment. Means he had done many of the experiments, but in one of his experiment, what he did, at 8:30 he put 20 pieces, that are small tiny pieces of a boiled fish, in how much juice? In 10 millimeters. He kept the glass at the same temperature as our stomach, about 30 degrees Celsius. Now when he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. See, in this experiment, he took the digestive juice that is present in our stomach. He took in a glass from Martin's stomach. The amount was 10 millimeter. At the time 8:30, and after that at 2 o'clock, he found that all the pieces of fish which were boiled, it was dissolved in the stomach. Dr. Beaumont tried his experiments with different food items. See, he had tried many of the food items in these digestive juices and saw that how much time is being taken, how does it get dissolved. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation in a table. Students, what he did in his experiment, that in his stomach the food was going at the same time. From the stomach he has removed some digestive juices. So what he did, he used to give the food to the Martin also, and that food he used to keep in the digestive juices also, which was kept in a glass. So in the next observation table, we will be seeing that the food which Martin has eaten in the stomach and the food which was in the glass with the digestive juices. And students, that digestive juices was from the stomach of Martin itself in this experiment. So let's see. The first item which was given was unboiled milk. Unboiled milk we all know, right? White milk we generally have in our diet. In the stomach it takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to digest, while in the glass with the digestive juices it took 4 hours and 45 minutes. Next is boiled milk. The time is 2 hours. In our stomach it will take 2 hours, while with the help of the digestive juices it takes 4 hours and 15 minutes. So difference is 2 hours more, is it? That is with the help of digestive juices. Next, full boiled egg. We can eat egg in the raw form also and in the boiled form also, but the time taken to digest is different in our stomach. So, third one, full boiled egg. In the stomach, it takes 3 hours and 30 minutes, while in the glass with the digestive juice, it takes 8 hours. So, the difference is, see, in our stomach, it will digest very fast and quickly, but in the glass with the digestive juices, it takes time. Half boiled egg, 3 hours, and with the help of the digestive juices in the glass, it takes 6 hours and 30 minutes. Raw egg, beaten. Beaten means we can add it with the milk also, right? We all know how in the cake we break the egg. So it is beaten, raw egg beaten, broken we can say. The time in the stomach is 2 hours, while in the digestive juices in the glass it is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So see the difference, 2 hours more and 15 minutes. The last was raw egg. Raw egg is digested in 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1.5 hour in our stomach, and in the glass it takes 4 hours. See how the difference is in our stomach and how it is in the glass with the digestive juices. Dr. Beaumont did many experiments and find out many secrets about the digestion. He found that the food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Did you notice this in the table? Yes, I told you about the time difference also, right? See, it took 2-3 hours more. I'm talking about the digestive juices which was in the glass. So in our food which we eat through our mouth goes through the food pipe and then again goes to the stomach. So it is digested very quickly as compared to the glass with digestive juices. Our stomach churns the food to digest. Dear children, churns means mix, M-I-X-E-S, mixes. The food which we eat, roti we eat, is it? We eat sweet corn, we eat paneer, we eat pizza, is it? Many food items which we eat, that food get mixes in our stomach to digest. Is it? Churns means what? Mixes. And we chew it through our teeth, is it? The doctor also saw that the food is not digested properly when Martin was sad. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. Acidic means it is in the form of acid type. The solution means the substance in the stomach is not soft and smooth. It is acidic. ACIDIC. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? Especially when the person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. See, dear students, we all eat the junk food nowadays. Is it? All the chips, all the packet foods, pizza, burgers, Dominoes, etc. Now that junk food is unhealthy for our body, is it? They are not with proper nutrients. Now a person, especially when does not eat properly, acidity happens. When our stomach is empty also, is it? We learned that when we are hungry, we feel angry, we feel aggressive. Yes or no? Our mind does not concentrate. At the same time, our stomach has acidity problem also. We all know about that ENO, is it? 2 minute mein aaram, acidity. You have seen the ad of ENO also, which comes in TVs, is it? Dr. Beaumont's experiment became famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What do you say? No, they did not shoot the people in the stomach, nor they did not wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. They used other scientist ways to look inside our bodies. Did you like the story of Martin, or should we say the story of our stomach? So it was a very interesting story. We learned many of the things from that. That the saliva is digested. The saliva is in our mouth. Sorry, our food is being digested and the solution is acidic in our stomach. Also, it takes more time outside the stomach. In the glass we all saw, is it? And in our stomach it can be digested easily and quickly. Also, we learned about that if the person's mood is not proper and not well, then the digestion of the food becomes disturbed. Think and discuss. Imagine if you had been in place of Dr. Beaumont. What experiments would you have done to find out the secrets of your stomach? Write your own experiments. So if I would be at his place, I would have given many food items which are rich in nutrients, so that I can come to know that how it is digested, and also I can know that how it is helpful to our body. Next is, dear students, good food, good health. Yes, actually this is very most important, because nowadays technology is increasing so fast, learning is increasing so fast, is it? Life is moving very fast in this generation, so healthy food is also very important and necessary. See students, here two bacha are given, two bacha, one is Rashmi and the other is Kailash. Two kids are given. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. One thing I like to tell you before this, see students, at our home we eat rice, we eat roti, we eat sabji. That is all the food articles from this wheat, rice, is it? Fruits, vegetables, all the green vegetables, like we have spinach, we have fenugreek, that is methi, is it? We eat that thepla, right? So all these, dear students, they are very helpful. Even the salads like cucumber, tomato, onion, garlic, these are also very healthy for our body. Then only we can do proper activities, is it? If our body is healthy. While all the junk foods which we generally eat in the hotels, is it? Especially in the McDonald's, in the Domino's, outside street foods, they are very, not, I cannot say that they are very useful to us. All the soft drinks, dear students, thumbs up, coke, that lychee form, all these liquids are also harming our body and not giving proper nutrients. So what does it happens? Good food, good health. It itself says that when we will eat good food, we will be very healthy. Rashmi is of 5 years, students. She looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly, stomach like a balloon. She often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. Food. She is lucky if she had get a little rice or one roti to eat in a whole day. Students, this story is about a poor girl. Her name is Rashmi, 5 years. Why I told poor? Because she is lucky if she can get a little rice. Means she is from a poor family and she is not getting the food. Is it? So see how she looks. She looks very small, not at like her age. She looks like of 3 years. Also her thin arms and legs, how thin she is. See, she is not fat and proper in her health. And her stomach also. And food. Why? Because she cannot afford it. She is not getting a roti or a rice in a daily basis, in a whole day. And she is not able to go to the school properly or regularly. Why? Just because she is not getting proper food at proper time, right? Next is Kailash. A boy named Kailash is of 7 years. See, he looks so fat. Does he looks like 7 years? He looks so fat, is it? He looks older than his age. Yes, just as I told you. His body is fat and flabby. See, can you see? He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. See, students, first of all, he is fat and flabby. When our body is very fat, we are not active in all the work, right? So, first of all, even his diet will not be proper, first of all. And he looks so older than his age. He is of 7 years and he looks like 10 years, is it? By his body. And his pain, he has a pain in his legs. Just because he might be eating all the junk foods, is it? And what does he do in his activity? He goes to his school by his bus, not by walking. And he watches more TV. Watching more TV, more mobile spoils our eyes also, is it? And what food did has Kailash eats? Does Kailash eats? He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables and roti. See, I told you why his legs were paining, because he was not eating proper nutritious food. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizzas, soft drinks from the market. All these food items, are they healthy, dear students? Not at all. All these packet foods are harmful to our body. They are not giving proper nutrients. Nutrients we all know: proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, which required to our body. So we learned about these two stories. Dr. Aparna measured the height and the weight both of the both children. In our school also we take the height. Is it? कितना लंबा है, कितना छोटा है, we talk like this. Weight also, भाई तू तो कितना मोटा है, भाई तू तो कितनी दुबली और पतली है, is it? Then she told them, there is only one treatment for both of your problems. Here few questions are given. Let's talk. Why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Maybe she must be poor, from a poor family. If she gets a roti, then it is very helpful to her in her diet. Do you think Kailash would like the games and sports? I don't think so, because he was so fat and inactive. So I don't think he might be liking all these sports and games, because he was always all the time watching the television. What do you understand by proper food? Proper means we can say perfect. We say no, proper work, do neat and proper work. Same way, proper food means what? Perfect food. This perfect food, what does it means? That the food which we eat should be good, tasty and healthy, which is homemade. जो घर पे बनाते हैं वो, not the food items which is available in the market. Next, why do you think that the food of the Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? Rashmi was very thin, right? And the food, maybe she had no chance to eat a roti or a rice. And Kailash, he was having proper food, but it was available, the food was available for him. But what he was eating? He was eating all the junk foods, all the chips, burgers which was available in the market. Next, talk with your grandparents or elderly people and find out what they ate and what they did when they were of your age. Now think about yourself, your daily activities and daily diet. Are these similar from your grandparents did and ate? Students, at our home, mommy cooks roti, sabji, and even nowadays mommy is making all the food items at our home only, that pav bhaji, pizza and all, right? She tries to give us healthy food to his child always. Now our grandparents used to live a very simple life, not like us, right? We have everything, mobiles, we have each facility we are having, even in the food items we have eaten each and everything. But what our grandparents, our elder parents, they have not got all this. They used to live a simple life with a simple food lifestyle. Even the food which we ate was not having so luxurious life, right? Just we go to the hospital and just we go to the restaurants and eat all the healthy junk foods, we can say. So healthy food they used to eat, our grandparents, so they were healthy, right? And when we are not eating healthy food, we are becoming sick, we are not feeling well, we are not able to run, we are not able to participate. Why? Just because we eat all the junk foods, and our grandparents and elder parents, they have eaten proper and simple food items. Next is proper food every child's right. Dear students, in our India there is a big poverty line, right? Poverty line means poor people are many there in our country. We can afford everything, but there are people who live in the slum areas. They are not getting food at the time. Is it? How we talked about Rashmi that she was not getting the food. Not like Rashmi, there are many small children who are not getting the food, right? So they are not able to go to the school also. They cannot afford the school. You have read about two children. One is Kailash, who does not like his homemade food. The other one is Rashmi, who does not even get one proper meal a day. So what does it mean? That she cannot afford, her parents cannot afford food for Rashmi. About half the children in our country are like Rashmi. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. Now these children are weak and sicky, often ill in poor health, but it is the right of every children to get a proper food. Students, one more thing, just as I told you, if we eat the junk foods, that is unhealthy food, so obviously not feel we will not have good health, we will have a poor health, and we will feel sick and weak. Is it? Here a Gomti story is given. Gomti is 30 years old, a lady. This is called poverty, dear students. See, a picture itself indicates that a child is not having proper clothes to wear also. How her mother has carried. Gomti, 30 years old, works in the field of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little, so little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Some months she does not get any work at all. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always very sick. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. A Gomti story is given students that she is working in a rich farmer's home or a place, and that farmer is not paying her big amount, a very small amount she is giving, and she is working very hard. See students, in our life also I am telling you that if we eat proper food, then only we are healthy and our mind works. Is it? Same way, she was working very hard, but she was not having proper food because the farmer was not paying. Now even her children were feeling not well. Why? They were not getting the food. Her children were very sick. Sick matlab bimar. Is it? Because they were not getting the time at proper, they were not getting the food at the proper time. Even this Gomti, she cannot afford, just like Rashmi. And her husband died. Gomti's husband died. Why? The reason was because of the hunger. उसको अच्छे से खाना प्रॉपर टाइम पे नहीं मिला. Because of the hunger, her husband died, and Gomti started eating all the leaves and the roots from the jungle because she was not getting roti, that is chapati, vegetables, fruits, etc. Most rice in Kalahandi district. Rice is even sent to other states from here. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomti. Why do people die of hunger in such a place? See, here a question is asked that because of hunger, why people are dying? Gomti's husband died because of that also. That only. See, if a proper diet is given at proper time, then this does not happen. And poor people, if they are working hard, then they should be getting proper amount, right, so that they can afford food of because of that. And Kalahandi is a district in the Odisha, so there are many poor people, very poor people, which are not having food and even shelter also, I can say. They are very poor and cannot afford the food like we are living. We live a very good life, we are blessed, is it? See these small children, is it? Do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day? What are the reasons for this? Yes, in the slum areas there are people who are not going to school also because they cannot afford, and even they are not getting proper food. Have you ever seen a godown where a lot of grains have been stored? Yes, there are many godowns where wheat, rice, barley, bajra, etc. they are kept. Godowns means they are a very big rooms where all these grains are stored and kept. What we have learned? Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? See, when we have a cold, there is a problem in our nose. We cannot smell. We cannot smell the food properly. First of all, right? Our nose passage is closed, nasal. Also, at the same time, the saliva which is mixed with our food does not give proper taste. These three questions we will be discussing in our notes. Okay, dear students. Thank you.